Okay, we're gonna pause that. Yeah. See, I was trying to do something. And that didn't work. It just didn't fucking work at all. I just gave up, and that caused me to be like 20,000 years late. Uh, yeah. Um, I thought I could be on time once. This is not the case. This is not the case. Welcome back. Welcome back, my fellow humans. It is so nice to see you as always, Sir Fracture. We got all of you guys, all of you amazing peak individuals. I am looking forward to the stream that we are to have today. It's gonna be pretty chill. I'm not gonna lie. We have been making very yeah, Jacob on time never happened. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. That's never gonna happen. But that's you know what I mean. But I'm thinking that today we're just gonna jump straight into it. We have a little bit of discussing to do too. This one, this stream, and our next stream, it's gonna be we don't have many like programming streams necessarily to say left. We don't have many of them left, my friends. So you gotta enjoy it while it lasts. We gotta enjoy this while it lasts. Don't worry, this peak is gonna be replaced with peak-er. You know what I'm saying? It's like we're here. We're the next one's gonna be like it's gonna be up here. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be way up there. But yeah, so it's not gonna be lasting too much longer. Not okay. For the love of God, if this camera won't focus, okay, I need to not crash out. I need not crash out today. But at the same time, this camera is gonna give me an aneurysm. You know what? We're just gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to be over here because over here it's in focus. Learning how to hack into the Pentagon day one. Okay, we are to steal all the Epstein files. We are going. We are going to liberate this country. We are to liberate this country. Okay. Well, I think we just get straight into it, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, we've done enough yipping and yapping so far. Why don't we just get into this? You know what I'm saying? Okay, will this work, please? Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So, programming streams are not going to be they're not going to be there's not going to be too many of them left. Don't worry, we're still going to be doing our gambling thing. That is going to be so peak. I'm hoping to get at least 10 individuals there, and we can clip the shit out of it, and that'd be awesome. But yeah, that's we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Sir Orn. Sir Orn, yeah, there's gambling involved. I mean, I guess you could enter it. I guess. I mean, not gambling. What am I saying? What am I talking about? It's reallocation of financial resources via a statistical game, not gambling. That's different. It's completely different. Your program is satisfactory, but but there is a statistical disadvantage to the person that's in the beginning of that list. There's a for loop, right? For blank in category and whatever our character, what I forgot what the name of it's called. And so so it gives a statistical disadvantage to the person that's at the front of that list because they're always, no matter what, going to be played first. So the person at the bottom, if someone dies before them, then they're not even gonna try, or like they're not even gonna have to go through the roulette kind of. I mean, but if it selected one of them, the people at random that's in the list, then statistically it will be completely fair because it's completely random for whichever person it plays. But right now, like the person that's at the very, very, very last spot inside the list, I tested out with like 20 different names and I ran it through. I changed the thing to where it's like it's almost immediate to where I can go through a bunch of iterations. Statistical disadvantage to the person that's at the front and statistical advantage to be at the very end. So we need to change that. And then we can do this reallocating of financial resources via a charitable statistical gaining mechanism. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. It's not gambling. Who what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Yeah. Why are you going to do more programming? There's a long way to go for the robot arm. Oh, don't you worry. There is a long way to go. There's a very long way to go. I've just found out that whenever it comes to learning, there will be times like sure that we're going to stream the learning process, but I found that whenever I'm able to dissect our homie's code, right? Whenever we're able to dissect our homie's code, and you, it's just there's a lot more efficient ways. We're at day 17, 18. I'm not too satisfied with the level at which we know. We know a lot, debatable. We know enough, right? We know a bit, but we need to be accelerating this speed, because there's a lot to get to. There's a lot to learn in Python, and this robot arm, it's not going to build itself, and I'm a little impatient. Okay, so I want to speed up the learning process. And the streams, don't get me wrong, they're you know what I mean, they're fun, and I'm having a great time. But it's just no more programming streams. You know, after a few more. Yeah, it's gonna be fun though. It's gonna be so fun. Yeah. So you want me to continue the next person? Continue on the next person. When the round ends. Not exactly. I like that round. I like how it ends. But here's the important part. We need it whenever it starts the round. Whenever it starts the round. That's the most important thing. It has to be randomized. Does that make sense? And or because I like it when it ends the round and then we have to continue, because it makes it feel so much more like you're involved into it. It's not just a program running. You have to press play again, stuff like that. It's so fun. It's so fun. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Hi Catherine. How have you been? Hi Catherine. Yeah. 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 Yeah, okay. But yeah. So to choose at random. Exactly. If that would be the most ideal case for this game, because it would give it the most statistically. I know the dot random function inside of Python isn't the most random, but it'd give it more randomness. You know what I mean? Compared to right now, if you're just at the bottom of the list out of like a million, statistically speaking, you're never. You know what I mean? You're gonna last forever. Um, and you want to be able to play automatically, but have more control over when the round starts. I want the rounds to go automatically until someone dies, just like it is now. Right now, whenever we play the game, for those that don't have the context of this conversation, I'm probably speaking gibberish right now. It's a roulette game, um, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. But I want it to keep, if they win, if the person doesn't die, then it goes on to the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. Um, at random though. Does that make at random, but it can't choose the same person twice. But the second that someone dies, then I have to manually continue the game. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Yeah, I think that makes sense. But yeah. Yeah. I hope that makes a little bit of sense. I hope it does. Okay. Oh, we forgot to start the death timer. The demon clock. If this camera will focus, that'd be so amazing, but it does not want to. The demon clock has been set. Upon this striking zero, it is time for Armageddon. That is what it is time for. Yeah, so when someone survives, automatically continue. If someone dies, I want to stop the not just like temporarily pause the game, but I have to, as it is right now, I have to enter in continue or whatever it is right now. I want it to be like that. You know what I mean? To where it's like we can be like, oh damn, you know what I mean? Like, oh, that person lost, and then we can continue. You know what I'm saying? Oren. Nice video, by the way. Sir Oren had a very, very delicious video. Very delicious video. Okay. I believe we are yapping too much. I think we need to get to stacking and racking and packing. You know what I'm saying? Not cap cut. Jesus. Oh my god, my computer's gonna lag. Okay. I can do that. That won't be too hard for the manual controlling part. Wonderful. Now, but the manual control part, it's nice, but the thing that we need, remember, is for it to be randomly selecting, but not selecting the same person. Like once it goes through the whole list, maybe then we can continue on and select another person for the second time. But we've already gone through the whole list, to where it's fair. If it as it is now, the person that's in the front of the line is likely to die, and the person at the back is likely to survive. Jacob, how do you feel about sitting in my pocket? Jacob or Fracture, that seems a splendid idea. That is a splendid idea. Yes, pocket Jacob. We're gonna go like this. Where is this IDE? Right there. Money. Okay. Go like this. Where is it? Hold on. Dude, okay. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. There we go. There we go. Jeez, Louise. Let's go like Python. Tutorial. We're gonna go to bro code. Cause why not? Oh my god, did it not save our place? Oh, it didn't save our place. It didn't. I don't know if you can see that, but it didn't save our place. Okay. You're going to go like this. Let's see where we're at. One sec. I need to close this. Get that going. Go like this. So it's always a slow start. But that's okay. You know what I'm saying? That's okay. Let me tell you. I'll tell you. Well, oh, never mind. Oh, the desktop thing was done. Okay. Give me a moment, guys. I need a properties. Advanced properties. I need to adjust some shit. Desktop audio. We're going to do +2 on this. Not 20. Jesus. That would kill your eardrums. Not 22. I didn't know it could go that high. Give me a moment. I apologize. I'm going to have a seizure. Yeah, I'm done. I'm going to have a seizure. Okay, we're done. Huzzah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna first find
a temperature conversion program as an exercise.
Temperature conversion program. Did we do this yet? One sec. Make sure to carry your pocket Jacob with you everywhere. Yes. Oh, Christian's live? I didn't know Christian was live. You want to choose to end the round early as well. Oh, wait, one sec. Okay. So when someone dies, do you want to choose to end the round early as well as just continue the round? Sure. Actually, that would be helpful because if there's something like wrong or something like someone like you know what I mean, like something's off or I did something wrong, You know, I want to be able to. That would be nice to be able to end the round early. I mean, we'd rarely do that, but also, um, to just continue the round. That once someone dies, though, like whenever if someone survives, we just as it is like massive aura. They continue. They survived. Awesome sauce. Massive aura. But if they die, bam, skill issue. They skill issue. You know what I mean? And then I have to continue it. Actually, I could show you it right here. Let's just do that. We're just gonna do that right now, actually. We're gonna go like this. Oh, I just closed Discord. Go like this. Okay, I'm done doing this. I'm literally just gonna full screen this. I have so much I have more monitor real estate than McDonald's has actual real estate. Okay, and yet I'm losing. I'm not allocating it well at all. It's insane. It's crazy. Okay. Where is it? Maybe general? Was it in general? Where was it? Peak. Absolute peak right here. This is what this was. Peak. Where was it? Was that it? Did I just pass it? No, that was the for help. Where is it? No, this is something that's more help. Where is it? Is it in the projects? Um, I'm just hearing Jacob's voice like a schizophrenic every time I look at my. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. This is yeah. He's the Billy. Yeah. Oh, is this it? No, it's not it. No, not that. Not the. Who has done this? Who had done that? The one I just saw. Who had done this? Who done that? Who done it? Oh no! Oh no! That's where is it? Okay, direct me. Where the heck is it, my friend? Uh, W community. I agree. Where is it, my friend? Can you find it? I must be retarded. There's too many chat logs in here for me to find it. Um, okay, projects. Maybe projects. I bet it's projects. Okay. No. No. Wait. How did you check that? No. No. Where is it, bro? You know where it is? Find it. I can't find it. Meme, string ping, IRL photo. No. Maybe you sent it to me. Maybe did you send it to me? Maybe you sent it to me. Uh, this is my brother, by the way. You don't have to worry about it. He's a weirdo. Where the hell is? No. Which one is your user, my friend? I don't want to click on them randomly. Am I? Oh, I'm getting top chat, not newest chat. My friend, please tell me where it is located. I would love to know it so we can test it out really quickly. Are you here? Homie's gone. Our boy is gone. Yeah, it's gone. But yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, though. You get what I'm trying to say. Okay. I think there's only one thing left to do. That is, of course, not this exactly. Like this. Well, first we need to, of course, throw a small party. One moment. One moment. One moment. One moment. What is this? What's happening? We got that out of our system. We can learn to program now. We just need to find where we are. Oh my god, the demon clock is already almost a quarter done. Okay, let's find where we are.
We'll begin by asking what the current unit of measurement is. Unit equals...
Or did we do this? I don't know if we did. No, we're at like not even 130. Yeah, that's what.
Okay, so we have accomplished something that's another contain number. Yep. May be interested in. String indexing. Indexing allows us to access the elements of a sequence using a set of square brackets, also known as the indexing operator. That we can fill a set of square index allows us to access the elements of a sequence using a set of square brackets, also known as the indexing operator. Using this set of square
Yes. Okay. This is we're just gonna start from here. We're gonna pretend we know everything. We're gonna pretend we know all of that. Yeah.
brackets following a string, there are up to 3 fields that we can fill in. We can access a starting point in the string, an ending point, and a step. Here's an example. Suppose we have a credit card number. Credit number equals, and I'll just make up some number. 1234-5678-9012-3456. Good enough. If I need the first character within the string, I can type the name of my string variable, followed by the indexing operator, which is a set of square brackets. The first position has an index of 0. Computers always start with 0, so that's why the first index is 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and print this. Print credit card number at index of 0. That would be 1. If I were to change the index to be 1,
We got that.
0.
Okay. We got this. Where's my mouse? Oh. Homie. Where is the program in the Discord? I can't find it. Can you send it to me? I would love to be able to.
Row 1. That
Enable
should
with
be 2. Index 2 would technically be 3. Then 4 is the dash within our string, as you can see here. With the indexing operator, there's up to 3 fields that we can fill in. A start and
I am to be back, but I am to be listening.
then 4 is the dash within our string, as you can see here. With the indexing operator, there's up to 3 fields that we can fill in. A start and a step. If you have just one field listed without any colons, it's assumed you're filling in the starting position. So now what if you would
That was some good information, but he said some gibberish, like step or something.
be 3, 2. Index 2
Yeah, we get it.
would technically be 3. Then 4 is the dash within our string, as you can see here. With the indexing operator, there's up to 3 fields that we can fill in. A start, end, and step. If you have just
Start, end, and step. The step bit is new to me.
one field listed without any colons, it's assumed you're filling in the starting position. So now what if you would like the first 4 digits of the string? Well, we would type the name of our string variable, indexing operator. We'll need a starting index,
0 through 5. Okay, come on, bud.
colon, 0, colon. And I'm just going to turn this first line
Did you say 3 or 4? I thought you said 4. He's gonna need to do 5, right?
into a comment. Yeah, there we go. We have the
no,
first
it's
4
yeah,
digits of our credit card number.
0.
1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, with the ending index, this index is exclusive. This first number would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not include that dash within the number. The starting index is inclusive. The ending index is exclusive. So you can omit the 0 is 8, 4. So we did not include that dash within the number. The starting index is inclusive. The ending index is exclusive.
I don't know what that means, but I don't think it's important.
So you can omit the 0 in the beginning. You could just say colon 4. Python assumes the starting position will be the beginning of the string. So that would work too. Let's get the next set of digits, 5, 6, 7, 8. Credit number.
We have already learned all of this. It's just we just need to play the video.
Indexing operator. Let's find where the starting index would be. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, colon, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we will print whatever is here. The next set of digits is 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe we need the last 12 digits. Well, what we could do in that case, we will take our string variable, credit number, set the start.
Okay, here's what needs to happen. Watching. We got some Progresso soup. It says seriously only 130 calories. Dude, I bet there's like 1 gram of protein in this. 11 grams of protein. It's still not good. It's amazing. It's amazing. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go like this. That's very tasty. Okay. What we're gonna do is we are going to space music. I don't know how to spell music. Music. Oh my god, I remember this. Here's what we're gonna do. Some light background, you know what I'm saying? Just some light background. You can't tell me. Okay, I know no one's like watching it, or at least probably statistically speaking, not watching it, but you're listening to it. Tell me, just how much better is that? Just how much better is that? That just. My brain just turned on from this. Let's give this a quick little like. Damn! That's insane ratio. Okay. Turn it down just a little bit more. Let me know. Is that being picked up well? Like, from OBS, shit just does not work sometimes. Yeah, it's still loud. It's 6 a.m. Ramo, my friend, my brother, my fellow knight, fellow liege. I think it's time for you to go to bed. I think it's time for you to go to bed. Maybe you just woke up. Maybe you just woke up. I'm hoping that's the case. I don't think it's the case, though. Oh, you couldn't sleep? Well, my friend, I hope that this stream is so boring that you're able to find sleep. If I can provide just that, it would be a successful stream. If it can just be so boring that you end up going to sleep. Thank you, my friend. I hope you have an amazing rest of your consciousness for this day. I guess it's the beginning of the day for you. Oh, I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. Right there. Right there. You got this, my friend. You got this. Good luck. Sweet dreams. And have an amazing night. I hope you wake up tomorrow with a vigor, a pep in your step, and the will to conquer the world. Good night to you, my friend. Mwah. Mwah. Take care, Remo. We believe in you. Okay, W music. Okay, I gotta be honest. It is because of our. Oh, he's probably live right now. Hold up. It's like this. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully. Oh, he's not live. I thought he was. Oh my gosh, dude. He's been cooking. He's been cooking so hard. That's insane. That's insane. He's been cooking. Oh my god. Look at the dude. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at the. Can we just admire our friend real quick? Can we just admire our friend real quick? 13 days ago when I started watching him, and he was at like no subscriber, or not no subscribers. He was at a lot less than he was at now. And look at this dude. He's been cooked. Like, look, ever since his 5-hour-long stream, look, 5, 4, 450. Dude, he's been cooking. Our homie's been cooking, and I'm excited. He's gonna be going live soon. Maybe, hopefully. But yeah, I'm still in the music idea though. That's what I was getting at. I'm still in the music from him because it just is so vibey. Okay. Show you. You know, it's a little. Let's like some. 1 second, boy. 1 second. You give me a moment. You give me a moment. Yeah. Yeah. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Just give me a moment. Just a moment. You know, boys, you guys are special. You guys have a special place in my heart. You know what I mean? And that can't be understated. I think we gotta dim the lights. We gotta dim the lights. You guys are special, right? This is an occasion. You gotta light some candles. Light some candles. Oh. Be gone with you, demon clock. Hold up, I know you can't see me, but you will in a moment. Okay, boys. Oh shit, I fucking blew up the candle. Okay, boys. Today, we're gonna learn how to program. We're gonna learn Python. What specifically, I don't know yet, but it's gonna be a good time. I hope you sit back, relax, have an amazing time, amazing night, maybe morning, maybe drift off, go to bed. The sky's the limit. You do you. Okay? We're gonna have a good time though, boys. We're gonna have a good time. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you boys for being here. I appreciate you. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. The mood has been set. The mood has been set. Yes. Yes. Well, maybe. Maybe. It smells so good in here, bro. Are you Jacob because you're Jones, or are you Jones because I'm Jacob? This is a very good question, my friend. This is a very good question. Because the question is, right, what came first, the chicken or the egg? What came first, the chicken or the egg? It's a dumb question. It seems really, it seems complicated, but it's a really dumb question. Once upon a time, there was a bird, and it laid an egg, and out came a chicken. Okay. So, the egg came first, obviously, because the egg was the first thing. So, what came first? We need an analogous to what we were talking about. Did Jacob come first, or did Jones come first? I think that Jacob may have Jones came first, because that was the name in which my father had. So Jones came first in this situation. Okay. Let's continue. It's so vibey in here. I wish you guys were like in this room right now. Hold on, I'm gonna turn up the exposure just a tad. That's literally 3 trillion. I didn't know that number even existed. Hold up. It's so vibey in here, it's not funny. It's so vibey. Oh my god, I need to do this more often. At that candlelight. Wait, what if we can just like remove this? Oh, and just use candlelight. Oh my god, the vibe is crazy in this room right now. I wish you guys were here. I guess you are. You are. This. Oh my god. Once upon a time, there was a programmer, and his name was Sir Ramos. He went to bed because it was late for him. Okay, we're gonna stop yapping. Let's stop yapping. Let's get to cooking. Yeah, let's get to cooking. And the vibe is crazy.
Starting index to be, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, colon. If you need everything up to the end of the string, you don't need to list an ending index, just be sure to add that colon. Python then assumes you need everything up to the end of the string.
Then what does this do? I'm gonna rewind this a little bit. This is very important, I feel.
Operator. We'll need a starting index, colon, then an ending index. The first 4 digits would be 0, colon, 4. Then I will print this. And I'm just going to turn this first line into a comment. Yeah, there we go. We have the first 4 digits of our credit card number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, with the ending index, this index is exclusive. This first number would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not include that dash within the number. The starting index is inclusive, the ending index is exclusive. So you can omit the 0 in the beginning. The ending index does not include that dash within the ending index. Credit card number 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, with the ending index, this index is exclusive. This first number would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not include that dash within the number. The starting index is inclusive. The end
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna try this out real quick because I'm actually a little bit confused as to what the flying fuck he's talking about. Okay, we're gonna call this. Wait, we need. Go like this. We are going to call this poo poo. Oh, you can't see it quite too well. Okay, we're gonna call this variable poo poo. P-O-O-P-O-O. Poo poo. And it's gonna be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here to print, print. Poo-poo. Poo-poo. And then we're to do these bracket things. We're going to do 0. Or we're going to do 4. So, this should do only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This should print up to 4, I guess. Hold up, we're gonna get rid of all this stuff. Okay, this should print out all the way up to. Thank you, homie. I appreciate it. Your luck is permeating in this room. I feel luckier already. We should gamble. We should gamble with the amount of luck you just gave me. I feel like I can. You know, we should get some lottery tickets up in here. I feel like I'm a very lucky man now that you've given us your luck. Thank you. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so we have, as expected, we got to 5. Now, here's the thing. If we go like this, wrong syntax. Shift. Now let's go like this. Oh, look at that. 0 through 4. This is the ending thing. Now look, watch this. Watch this. We're gonna go like this. Different answer. Not including 4, but the rest of it. So we need to watch the video because he'll explain it.
Or, just so you know, with the ending index, this index is exclusive. This first number would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not include that dash within the number. The start.
Oh, I should start at 0. I should put a 0 in here. So this 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that makes sense. Now let's do this. Nope. Let's do this. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. What? 0, 1, 2, 3. And then if we were to remove this, it spits out a 4? How? He'll explain.
Starting index is inclusive, the ending index is exclusive. So you can omit the 0 in the beginning. You could just say,
I know these are the basics. I'm sorry that we are just learning the basics still. Yeah, I'm slow. I am exceedingly slow. But that's okay. Slow is better than not doing anything at all. Slow is infinitely better than not doing anything at all. So we're gonna take our slow ass time with this.
:4. Python assumes the starting position will be the beginning of the string.
Okay.
So you can omit the 0 in the beginning. You could just say :4. Python assumes the starting position will be the beginning of the string. So that would work too. Let's get the next set of digits, 5, 6, 7, 8. Credit number, indexing operator. Let's find where the starting index would be. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, :, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This is a very good question, my friend. I'm going to temporarily pause this. This is a very good question, my friend. Very, very, very good question. Right here. Okay, right here. So, what is our goal? I'll tell you right now. That's so bright. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now what our goal is and why I think you should consider subscribing. I'm going to tell you that right now. So, robotics. They're really fun. Robots, stuff like that. Right now, we're trying to build a robot arm. That's our goal. It's our mission, right? Oh, wait, I'm so brain rotted every time I hear. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah. So let me tell you exactly why we're learning Python. We're trying to make a robot arm, but robots are made of motors, and motors do not like to just spin and do the things you want them to do. So you just spin this motor right here, this BLDC attached to a gearbox. You need this bad boy. This is a O-Drive Mini. And what it does is it tells this thing what to do. But how do you tell this thing what to do? Python. Lots of Python. So our mission here, our goal, is to, one, cancel all vibe coders and rid them from this planet, but also to program a robot arm and to make a crazy awesome robot arm. If that's something that tickles your pickle or gets you a little excited, or anything of the sort, you should consider subscribing, my friend. You should really consider, and I appreciate it if you did. Thank you. Dude, I was recently informed that a human has 130,000 calories in it. You might be onto something, my guy. You might be onto something. What? Shall we continue with the vibe? Good question, though. W question. The demon clock is about to strike its time. Wait. The demon clock does not have much time left. We must lock in, boys. We must lock in. But thank you for the question.
Credit number, indexing op.
Okay, I don't really know what he's saying. So I'm gonna. Okay, so normally, you run this, you get a 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This does not make sense in my brain. 0, 1, 2, 3. We should get a 3 from this back. From putting a 4 right here, we should get at its position. Why? Why is this? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It's not good for my mental health because what's up, my boy? I hope you're having a swell time. I hope this day's been treating you well. I hope the vibe that you've been having has been great. And I hope that is a chill time. Chill time for you to chillax. Maybe some shenanigans might take place, but I hope you have a good time, my friend. Okay. Why the fuck does this happen? And then all of a sudden I put this fucking colon, semicolon, colon, I don't know what it's called. And then we get this. What is this music? Okay, we're gonna just like. No. Fracture, you must not go. This is good. Very good. But Fracture, you must not go. You're not allowed to leave. Okay. I mean, you can, but like, you shouldn't. You shouldn't leave, my friend. because your presence here is too great. It's too powerful. You know what I mean? It's like it brings order to the chaos. My friend, I don't know what you're talking about. He's already on half of them. Okay, half of them. He is the FBI. Fracture is the FBI. I don't know what you're talking about, my friend. Fracture is the FBI. But I'm if you must take your leave, Fracture. Well, it was nice having you. It was nice having you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope you have a good one. I do. I hope you have a good one. Okay, let's continue. Without Fracture. Bro is emotional. Fracture must stay. Where's this noise coming from? What is this? Oh, this is Discord thing. It is. We can remove that. Okay. Thank you, my friend. I'm glad I'm still coding too. Because it's not easy. It's not intuitive. It doesn't. I have to think like a computer, and I'm struggling to do this. Oh, so this right here is the... Oh, I should have just looked at this. Okay, so this totally makes sense. Indexing totally makes sense right now. Okay, so when we do this in the front of it, this is representing the end, or it's up to this. All right, we're gonna run this. Up to this. Up to the fourth thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally makes sense. Okay. As of to why this spits out a 4, that's beyond my physical comprehension, and I don't get it to any extent. I don't. That's okay though, I suppose. But yeah. Yeah, no, it makes sense. Like this makes sense, right? But then watch. Oh, I did it wrong. We're gonna grab the fourth index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Or 1. Or... Holy shit, that does make sense. I don't know what the fuck I'm hallucinating. I must be tripping sack. I snorted drugs. I snorted Schedule and narcotics before I came on stream today, guys. I'm sorry. That is something I did. Oh, it was on the GitHub? Oh. It was on a GitHub. Oh. Let's check that out real quick. Let's check this out real quick. We're gonna open up the Discord. God, I thought you just like copied and pasted it into the thing. Okay, don't worry, my brother, he's just weird. This is peak, absolute peak. Ah, yes, peak. Peak. Okay, my friend, where could you possibly drop it, our boy? Can you drop it in the Discord? Discord's making noises and I don't know where it's from. No, where is it? Where? Oh, is it this? No. Is it this? No. Is it this? I think I think it's this. Oh, general. Okay. Let's try it out. What am I looking at? Okay. Okay, whoever is here. Okay, we need to do a little mood switch real quick. Okay. Yeah, sure, we got some candles lit, but let's be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves. Yeah, hold up. We need to. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? 1 second. Okay, this works. This is sufficient. Okay, I know that, you know, we want to learn and have a chill afternoon, but why would we have some candles lit and all that when we can gamble? When we can gamble, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to gambling. Let's get to gambling. Okay. Let's gamble. Oh my god. Oh, that's what that was from. Hold up. We can make this really peak real quick. Let's make this really super duper maximum peak. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with 2 hands, but we're gonna do it. Hold on. I need to make this peak. Okay, we're gonna clip this moment. We're gonna clip it real quick because why not? Okay, 1 sec. It needs to be peak. Okay. Why learn to program when we can gamble? I didn't do right. Forgive me. I didn't do right. Okay, I need to take that money to where it needs to be. Okay. Let's look at this code. Okay, rate index starts from 0. Look in the general. Okay, I hope you get it right. Get the right one. Go to the 1 round function real quick. Move the menu function. Wait, above the menu function. Okay, we're gonna run this. Here's what to do. We're learning how to program right now. That's what we're doing, okay? And if anyone says otherwise, then I would beg to differ. Okay, learning how to gamble. It's like mandatory. Okay. Let's run it. Okay. We should go to round 1, right? Go to general. Round 1. Okay. If you want, we can go into the voice call, and I can answer your questions about what I did. You know, we might not need to do that, but I will if we need to, though. Okay, so this seems self-explanatory. Let's see. So we got blah, blah, blah. Makes sense. Round 1. Okay. Play automatically. Add user. Okay. If you want to join this gambling game real quick, this is not going to be with money, but we're to simulate. We're to test. Okay. Enter your username or enter me inside of the chat real quick if you wanna gamble. You know, not gamble. Sorry. You know. Let's go like this. check for me what you got the right code. Oh. We'll try this real quick. Alright. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We'll see immediately. Watch this. We're gonna go like add user 3. Sabers. And then we're gonna add a bunch of random names. Tom, Joe, John, that works for now. We're gonna go like this. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna press X. Okay. Now, we should know. We're gonna pause this. Okay, now we should know if this is the right code, because if I play it, oh, maybe I didn't get that. Okay, so if we see a Tom, if we see go Sabres, Tom, John, then that's bad. Can you type bad stuff in chat? No, you cannot type bad stuff in chat. Because that's not good. What you need to do is type worse stuff in chat. Okay, there's bad, but then there's worse, and then there's deplorable. You need to get all the way up to here, my friend. My friends, if you want to, you know what, oh, what's up, cool go guy. Nice seeing you. You are being entered. We're gonna go 3. Oh, let's do 3. Enter. Okay, you are now in the game. Okay, you are now officially in the game, both of you. The lot of you are now in the game. See? Bam, there we go. Okay, now we should be cooking. Now, we're gonna press X. That was an X, right? Yeah. Oh, that's okay. Whatever. Okay, here is what we're gonna do. We're gonna press 2. No, we're gonna press 1. We're gonna try 1. Okay, that's what we're gonna try. We're gonna try 1. And then hopefully it cooks. And yes, this is a roulette game. Do you see this plethora of names right here? These are the people that are in it. There's a 1 in 6 chance that you get shot and die in the game, of course. In the game, of course. And then you lose. And whoever's left standing is a big boy, is a big man, big dog. And later, once we program our own one of these, or I get lazy and I just use Sir Sabers, I can't say that right, we're going to actually have a little bit of financial reallocation of money from my wallet into your wallet at a very soon date. I hope that made sense. Okay, we're just gonna play it. Oh, that was 3. I had to 3 in. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna press 1. Play 1 round. Oh, spinning the revolver. We're going. Big amounts of aura. Survived. Okay, John survived. Okay, no, it's going through it. It's going through it. This is what's happening. It's going through, guys. It's going through it. Let's see. Hold up. John survived. Oh, look at that. Hey, you did it. You did it good. You did it, my friend. It's doing it randomly. Okay, let's see. Orin. So it goes Orin, code guy, and then that. Orin. Okay, you totally did it. You totally did it. It works perfectly. Okay, what are the chances of this, dude? It's a 1 in 6 chance, right? Oh, dude, one person that. I'm sorry, my friend. You have died. You have died, my friend. I'm very sorry. I am sorry for your loss. I hope that you recover from this this big bang. Um, that's sick. You done it. Okay, now the question is, Sir Sabers. Okay, yeah, join the Discord or Discord chat. Do that real quick. Because I have a quick question. Oh, we're gonna go like this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Join the Discord general chat. Okay. I'll be right there. Right here.
What's up?
Are you there, my friend?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Dude, I am doing amazing.
All right, what question you got for me?
Okay, so here's the thing. This code, right?
Yeah.
Does it? It randomly selects a thing, but whenever it randomly selects through it, does it randomly select something and then does it like say, oh, that's already been used, so let's not use that until like we've already filtered through all of them? Does that make sense?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Okay, what I want you to do, so you see
Yeah.
the code, right? Scroll all the way down until you see def 1 round, because that's where all the code I changed is. It'll just make it easier to explain.
Gotcha. Let me pull it over here. Let me make sure. Chat. I think chat can hear me, right? Wait, speak real quick.
Yellow.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. Good. We're gonna go like this, and then.
Oh, you're
shrink
right
my
there.
face.
Okay, you actually see it right there. So do you see the first 2 lines
First two
of
lines.
it's def 1 round, and then it's random user list, and then rand.shuffle.
Rand dot shuffle. Yeah.
So what that does is, so it'll copy the original array you had. So all the users that you made, that you added, it'll make a new array. It'll copy it, but then it's gonna shuffle it each round. So so each round that completes, when you're on the next round, it's gonna shuffle another list. So it's a random list every time. That's the beautiful thing about, yeah.
Shuffle. This is a cool dot shuffle. This is. Oh my god, dude! My camera just took a freaking swan dive, bro. Holy shit.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we are still connected somehow. Okay.
But yeah, it just shuffles the array you made, the list you made each time a new round is begins. So there will be no repeats, but it's random each time.
That's sick. Wait, how? Okay, yeah. Tell me how there's gonna be no repeats. I'm so curious as to how exactly.
Because it's just a copying the list, right?
Yeah.
Because look, so you just copies the list you made, it shuffles it, and then it's just a for loop going through the random list, right? So it's never gonna copy. It's never gonna have a repeat, right? Because it's just gonna go down the random list, right?
I suppose. I suppose. So there's no chance, no feasibility it like copies the same name twice in a row.
No. It's just copying the same list. Like it's just basically giving a copy and putting it onto like the variable itself. It's just making a copy of itself. But it's not using the first array that you made. It's making a randomized array. You know what I mean? Sorry, I'm not
This
really great at
totally makes
explaining
sense.
it, but
No, you. I'm just an autistic and can't understand it. You done a damn good job at explaining that. Damn. Okay,
yeah.
dude. Okay, this is gonna be so fun because I would love to make my own, but like you've already
You can ask
done
me anything about
such
this,
a.
about the code. Like anything you see, I'll explain to you. Like
Honestly, dude, this is why I love our little community we have here because I can ask you people about your creations. Dude, okay. How the fuck did you whip this up? Like, I mean, I remember I asked you to, I'm like, yo, you should try making it. 20 seconds later, you're like, check the Discord.
I don't know. It's just kind of like when you practice like coding a lot, it just
Yeah.
kind of comes to you, right? You start like, because coding is all about problem solving and about like kind of like things going on top of each other. Because you know how like when you see like, you kind of like make like, you think of this big idea you want to make, right? But it's like, oh, it's gonna take so long, right? You gotta like put it into little steps, right? So you know all those functions I made, like all the functions I made, think of those as little steps. Okay, I gotta make like a menu for making adding a user when I want to remove a user. Okay, that's another step, right? and then you
That's
just
a
combine
good
it
way
all
of looking at it.
together.
Yeah.
Like, it also makes your code a little bit more readable, right? Like if you go to the main menu function on the
Mm.
bottom, right? It just you have like a match case there. It looks so nice. Like it looks like, okay, case one, okay, it's gonna only play one round. Oh, you got case two, which is only gonna is gonna automatically play, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Dude,
It just
like this is
it helps your code be more readable. It also helps you, so it kind of like easier to digest, right?
dude, how many years have you been doing this? Because like you think like a
I've
computer now.
I've been coding since September of last year.
What? Seriously?
Yeah, yeah. It's also because I've been on a computer since I was 5. I never really programmed, so that might have added on to it.
I bet it add on to it a little, but still okay, that gives me hope. This like seeing this excellence right here and just how like much it tickles my brain.
Yeah,
This is damn good. Oh,
like
like you
like
can
with the
see
erase
all
with the erase thing earlier, it was kind of funny how you're like, why? I don't know why it goes to 4. I was like, dude, it starts at 0. The index starts at 0.
dude, I was being so retarded. I don't know why in the actual world. Like I knew this. I was just not using my brain. I was like, why isn't it going to 4? And it's like it was going to 4. It's just yeah, okay. I
Arrays
bet
will
this.
always
Yeah.
start at 0. In programming, things in a list will always start at 0 for the first element.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. I have a quick question about your main men user array.
yeah.
Can you explain this chase function? I was looking at this and it did
Oh, the
not.
match choice?
Yeah, it's a CASE chase CAS. I don't know how to
Yeah,
say it.
case.
Case.
It's
Case.
match
Okay.
choice, and they got case 1, case 2, case 3, right? So think of
Yeah.
it, you know how you say, okay, I want to have, so you don't have an if statement, right? For example, we have if choice, right? So I have choice equals input, right?
Yeah.
So if I were to use if statements, it would be if choice equals 1, then it'd be 1 round, and it'd be else if choice equals 2, right? And that's going to look
Yeah.
really weird, right? It's going to look kind of ugly. So they use match cases. So what match cases are, so you put match choice, which is like the variable you want to like compare.
Does it have to be choice or can it be anything?
Oh, it can be it's just a variable name. You can put anything.
It's a variable name. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So like instead of if choice equals 1, you can put okay, case 1, which is like, oh, if choice equals 1, right? It looks nicer, right? And then it's just like you also have like you can put multiple like comparisons, if that makes sense. Like
Yeah.
so like yeah. It's really nice. I think you've been on W3 schools, right?
I've been
You
on
know,
code bro code.
yeah, bro.
What
I use bro code all the time, but have you ever been to the website W3 schools?
is that the thing that people were talking about just like yesterday? It's the thing from Harvard or something like that.
I think it is. It's like one of the world's largest like coding websites.
Really? Oh, I
Yeah.
haven't been on it though. But yeah, tell me about it.
Really? Really? Oh my gosh, you need to
No.
learn about this. I'm gonna send it to you in DMs. I want you to
Do
just
it.
take a look at it.
I will. I will.
That section's on Python.
Or you wanted me to look at it right now? Yeah.
Yeah, you can look at it
Or
right now.
okay.
Trust me, I think I think it'll be worth it.
See, I am very grateful I can have people like you just be able to like, yeah, here's this by the way.
Yeah, it's a W3 schools is
It's
awesome.
free. It's right here.
Wait, hold on. Yeah. Look
Dude,
all the
what the
sections you have too.
I literally just scrolled through it. Holy shit.
It's all free.
Dude. There's so many different ways of learning Python. Why am I on day 17 and I can't understand how to fucking index? Jesus.
Yeah, I'm just giving you
embarrassing.
I'm just giving you a resource in case you want to have like something to like something like more general where you can look at. Like you have
Yeah.
like arrays on here, you have range, you have if else, you have match cases on here too. It'll give you like examples. You have examples on here, like all that stuff.
Dude, this is sick. Oh, I guess the
And
compute
the cool thing is there's not just Python on here. You have
Yeah.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's all at the top there. It's all like in the little like bar at the top. Like you have Java, the one I talked
Holy
about,
shit.
PHP, has a
C++.
lot of programming languages.
Oh my god. Okay, let's say I were to take the C++ language, right?
Yeah.
Let's say like I were to take the whole thing. Is it gonna give me like just a place to jump off of, like you know what I mean, or is it gonna really go into depth? You know what I'm saying?
It gives you a good place to jump off of. I would say like it's not like a whole on course, like a school course, right? But it's a good starting point, right?
Yeah.
A good way for you to learn the basics, a good way for you to like learn like if you forget the basics, like, oh, I forgot how to do this, I forgot how to use this, you can go here and then you can remind yourself, right? Or like refresh your memory. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Holy
It's
shit,
like
dude, this is
Python's is very in depth, but like it would be better to like watch videos. But like if you want to like, oh, I want to use this, but I need to have more detail on how to use it, you can go here, right?
Yeah, dude. Holy shit, this is W freaking for sending this over. Like this is sick, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Damn.
This is what I use, like if I'm confused on something.
I'm confused on it all, so I'm gonna be on here a lot. If you're,
Yeah.
if
Bro
you
code
need,
is also really good. Trust me, bro code I love because he also does Java. And
yeah.
my professor last semester sucked when it came to teaching it, so I had to bro code my savior.
That is absolutely peak. That is absolutely peak.
So I'm glad you found him out
Oh,
early because a lot of people in my class didn't know about him.
dude, yeah. It was actually because of someone in chat. Someone was like, "Why the fuck are you like you're at freecodecamp.org? You need to get your ass over to bro code right now." I'm like, "Okay, bro, check him out. I'll check him out, bro."
Yeah, no, he's awesome. But yeah, also about reading other people's code. Reading other people's code, especially at your level, would actually be really
Mm,
good, right?
dude,
Because then you're able to
yeah,
see in action. You're able to see, okay, this is how this goes together. You know what
yeah.
I mean? It's not just like doing little exercises or examples. You're able to put it all together, right? And see what it's like.
Well said. Yeah, in its like complete form. Whenever you're missing, like, I guess, what's the word? Uh, prior knowledge report. What is it called? Jesus Christ, my brain's shutting off. Uh, whatever. When it's all together like this, it's really you can see how the cogs
Yeah.
turn in the machine, if that makes sense.
Yeah. I know what you mean, right? It's good to look at others people's code. Don't like try to go to like looking at advanced people's code because I think you wouldn't understand it. But I'm saying
Yeah,
like if you even look at like, minor projects, right, with Python, I
yeah,
think you would be able to understand it quite well, right?
yeah.
Because once you learn the simple syntax, I think you'll be able to like you're basically able to jump off, right? It's very slow in the beginning. You're learning the basics, you're learning how things are being put together. But once
Mm,
you learn the basics, that is literally all you need. It's the foundation, right?
mm,
Once you learn the basics, you're able to kind of like spread your wings in a way. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah. Mm.
Right? Then you can look up how do I do this and how to do that, and then you can use the basics just to get off of that, right?
No, exactly, exactly. I have a quick question for you.
What's up?
Are we allowed to use your Oh my God! Just why do I keep pulling my damn camera down, dude? How? What is even doing that? Like,
I don't know.
is
It's
it?
just on your camera. It just looks like it's like
Oh,
falling.
it's the freaking leg is okay. No, you're literally exactly right. It's falling. The leg is slipping off the table. That's why. That is correct exactly. Okay, I have a
What's your
question.
question?
Can we
What's
use
up?
your program to let's say for reallocation of financial resources from my pocket to whomever the anonymous winner may be? Is that
Yeah, you
what can
can
we use?
you can use it. I don't
We can
care.
do that.
Yeah, just the issue. The only thing I ask of you is that there is a problem. Please let me know so I can fix it.
Don't you worry, I will let you know immediately. That was, dude, that was the only thing that was like actually that was the only thing that was I wouldn't call it a problem, it just gave a statistical advantage to the first person inside of the thing. You
Yeah,
fixed it
yeah,
perfectly. I mean, like there's literally like the display users works, the remove user works, the add user works. Like all these are like it's everything that's required for it to work, and it just works perfectly. So
yeah.
like I can't complain, my friend. I cannot complain.
Thank you. I tried my best. I tried my best.
You did damn good.
I
um
the, I know quite a bit of Python only because I didn't really learn it in school. I learned it on my own. But
mhm,
that's also another thing I want to tell you. When you
yeah.
learn one programming language, learning the rest is going to be infinitely easier because most of it is the same. Most of the syntax, like most of what programming languages want you to do, is the same. You know what I mean? So once you
Yeah.
fully learn Python, it's gonna be easier to learn like Java, right? Or it's gonna be easier to learn like C++, right? It's different syntax, but they're kind of like the same functions, if you know what I mean. There's the same functionality.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So I also
It's
wanted to tell you that.
yeah. I've heard that like whenever it comes to like yeah, no, I've heard things around that idea. But yeah, okay, this is good to know because I am not looking forward to relearning C++. I mean, when I was a little shit, just a little kid waddling around, fucking I knew C++ like the back of my hand. Basically spoke in that language if that even
Yeah.
makes any logical sense. But for the Arduino, but I fucking it's all gone. Like I don't know any of it. I dude, yeah, no, it's all gone. So I need
Yeah.
to relearn that. But
Mellow one
if
is correct though, that he just said in chat. If you're gonna be learning like an easier language and then trying to jump to a harder one, it is a bit more difficult. But he is right about that. But he
mm,
does say, yeah, the basics are largely the same, which is true, right? You have your if
mm,
else statements, match cases I was just talking about. That is also
yeah,
on Java, right? You have like functions, which we are called methods on Java. Yeah,
mm,
and also of course, also the guy in chat. Yeah, there is more to it, but it's just like when it comes to the basics, yeah, they're largely
yeah,
the same. They're largely the
yeah,
same. But when it comes to like more complicated stuff, that's when then the languages start to like
yeah,
be different, right?
yeah.
Like because they may look similar, but different programming languages have different purposes, right? Like Java has a different
Exactly, yeah.
purpose. Like Python's used for like data science and like all that kind of stuff.
Mm,
I think statistics, math, that's what Python's used for. Java is still used in like corporations today. I actually don't really know what Java is used for. Do know it's used for Minecraft, but that's not just the one. That's just not the one reason. Then you have like C, which is used for like operating systems and stuff like that. They all have their different like purposes, but like when it comes to the basics, they're all largely the same.
yeah. Whenever it comes to Java, the guy on screen on the live,
Yeah,
I've been
Kristen.
watching. Yeah, I've been watching our guy like program in Java, and holy shit, dude! Like it's giving me an aneurysm. Like just watching like it take place. Like I don't know what the it's wizardry. And then I looked up a video on Java. This guy is actually a recent video. He made a thing that like jump scares him whenever he's like performing poorly in his code or whatever.
Yeah.
Um, and he programmed the thing in not Python inside of Java, and it was black magic wizardry that was, dude. It was so like I don't even want to think about the amount of effort that he
But
learned so many things just to be able to display an GIF. It was like, oh my god, you
it,
know.
Java is very much like a lot of boilerplate. Like in
Mm,
Python, it's one line to print hello world, and in Java, I think it's three or four. I think is it 4 or 3? I think it's you have to have the class definition, and then you need to have the main method defined and initialized, and then you have to have the print statement. And of course, you don't have colons in Python. You have curly brackets, right?
mm,
You don't tab, which actually I prefer the curly brackets, but that's just me. 5 lines, yeah, 5 lines.
5 lines.
Which, yeah, there's a lot of boilerplate, right? You have to have just to print, but I
No,
mean,
exactly. It's
yeah,
it
so,
It,
yeah.
so I whenever I mean I don't know if I'm ever gonna learn Java specifically, just because it's like I want to save my sanity for now. Um, but
Start small, man. Like I may be
yeah,
learning Java in school, but like don't rush into it. Python, right now you're doing perfectly fine. Just learn the basics, get the basics down, start making your own little programs, and when you feel confident enough and feel like that you're able to learn a new one, then start doing the
mm,
basics of the new one. Like
mm,
don't don't stress yourself out too much then, because then you're gonna hate it and then you're not gonna want to code ever again.
exactly. That's said very
Like
well. Exactly. Yeah.
it'll take time, right? But once you get it down, you'll become better and better at it, right?
Mm, mm.
And when you need help, ask for help. I don't know why people in my class, they do not understand when you need to ask for help. Like like
Dude, yeah.
yeah,
That's why I'm so like grateful for like this community that we're making, it's so nice to be like for me to have like an autistically stupid question to have, but then 30 people would be like, "Oh yeah, you just forgot the goddamn comma, you dumbass," and it's
Hey,
so
there's
nice.
no such thing as a stupid question. Just trust me. We all make small mistakes every time. Trust me. Like there's people who literally forget like a curly bracket, or there's one too many curly brackets, and they forget, and they do 2 hours of just like what the hell, and then it's
Dude.
like, oh, just got to delete the one curly bracket, right?
Dude,
Uh,
oh my god, yeah, I deleted on in this I fucked up this IDE. I mean, I don't know how I fucked it up, but I fucked it up in every possible way. It wasn't even spitting out like errors right. It was so weird. And the underlying like whenever you do something incorrect, like it didn't display like a little squiggly line, like red squiggly line. And I
yeah.
was looking at it, this little thing for hours. I was like, what the fuck is wrong? I was questioning my fucking beliefs in this world just for it to be what was wrong is I did a capital O instead of a zero, but I didn't know that because the
Oh,
squiggly line wasn't there. I'm like, there's like because I fucked up. I literally had to uninstall and reinstall the IDE because it was fucked out of this. I like
you
must have
reinstalled their IDE?
it was so fucked. The whole thing was like the settings were out of whack. I was trying to turn off the AI, like off camera, and it was so out of whack that I was like, okay, I'm uninstalling this thing.
Oh
But
my
yeah, no,
god.
it was a horrendous experience.
Holy crap,
Horrendous.
that's so bad. Oh my, I feel bad for you.
Hey, uninstall and reinstall, bro. It works every time.
Oh yeah, trust me, restarting totally works every time. But yeah, like also Mello once said you need to be at least good with one OOP language. That is true, but I feel like that more so comes with like when you actually want to make like something to like make money off of or be at a job. Like if you're
Mm,
just trying to do like a little robot arm thingy or like that's really all you're gonna do, I think Python is perfectly fine. But if you
yeah.
actually want to become like be more advanced in programming, you want to like actually like make money off of it, or you want to go to a job, like any type of job, then yeah, it is good to learn at least one object-oriented programming language because that is what is mostly used nowadays. So
Hmm. Tell me, what are the object-oriented languages?
he said Java and C++. I think those are the two main ones.
Those are
I
the two
think
main ones.
C is more functional, so that is not it. I'm not sure. I think it's just those two for
Yeah.
like the main ones. I think if
Hmm.
it's anyone who knows about that stuff, it might be Mello one because he's the one who's like I just know how to code in Java and Python. Okay,
Yeah.
I know Linux. That's it.
Dude, I'm so excited for us to get to. I mean, I can't with Windows. It's giving me an aneurysm on a minutely basis. My computer crashes. Like, I mean, the computer's fucking fine, but Windows is like, oh, you were using your computer? No, you don't get this
Yeah,
privilege anymore. We're gonna stop that right now. Crash, and
yeah. People have been
it's so annoying.
complaining. The updates are making people's computers crash. They're trying to like put more Copilot in all their shit. It's like they're all trying to do this, trying to do that. It's becomes so bad. Even Dell, I don't know if you saw it, but Dell made an article where they were like, people are not even buying our PCs because of AI. They don't even care. They're like we did a test where we did not talk about AI at the it was the I forgot what it's called, but it's CES I think in Vegas.
Consumer electronics show or something like that. Whatever it's
Yeah,
called.
and they did not talk about AI once. They just talked about their new product. They talked about XPS coming back. They talked about
Yeah.
like all their other laptops. They not talk about AI once. They were consumers were more interested in that than AI. I wonder why.
Dude,
It's because no one
dude,
cares about AI
dude.
right now. Because like
Dude, it's hard. How can you possibly get someone excited about AI when it's like, oh, get excited about this thing because it's gonna take your job. You're not gonna, you're gonna be jobless. It's gonna replace any form of creativity you ever thought you had. I mean, obviously, it's that's not true, but like, you know what I mean. Dude, it's like, bro, you know what I mean. It's
exactly
like,
right.
a company's got to figure out when it's time to stop yapping about AI. I mean, hell, when you've invested your like three of your entire company's worth into just data centers. I mean, you have to talk about it like it's the last thing because the
Yeah.
investors, bro, they want to make sure that they're getting their money, but who knows? Who knows? Yeah, you
Anyways,
know what I'm yapping about.
yeah. I was just gonna say, Demon Time is probably coming soon, so I want you to at least
Oh,
try to
dude.
code a bit. I gotta make sure you at least program a
You're
little bit. You
wrong.
know, I don't want to keep yapping your ear off. But if you need any help, or if you want to ask me a question about the program, just let me know. Oh, Demon Time's over already.
It was like 20 minutes ago. I'm late. I am late, actively late to work right now, but I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit.
You know what? You know what? I'm not gonna get mad at that. You know, it's a good stream. You know, I've been watching. When I
Dude,
was programming, I was fixing the stuff, or I was programming the program. I was just watching your stream on the side while I was doing it. So
that's so fucking peak. That is so fucking peak. See,
yeah, dude.
it is people like you that if we had a million of you, we would there'd be no, the sky would be the fucking limit. You know what I mean? Like
Exactly.
we'd be able to do anything. And it oh dude. I'm excited. We're gonna get to growing.
Hey, dude,
Um
I'm excited for you. I feel like once you keep going, I think you'll actually do really good. You seem to be
dude,
very interested. You seem very intrigued and curious about, Python and programming languages, and that's like something we need nowadays.
dude, literally, like specifically, like not to get a side tangent, but like when it comes to that, I was talking with Sir Christian, and or I guess not really talking. We're yapping inside this chat, but it's hard to get excited about something which trillions and trillions of dollars are being put into a thing that's saying every single day they're like, oh, we're trying to replace you, and it's difficult, to even want
Yeah,
to learn
yeah.
it when you could just go on over it. Let's go. Let's. Oh, I'm not gonna try. That'd be a huge side tangent, but you could easily just
All good.
program with AI, and it's like I'm glad that there are humans that still, even with all that, are like, yo,
Trust me,
I'm
I
gonna
think
just.
I think about it every day. I generally think about it every day because even like for me, I've spent like I'm 5,000 like $4,000 in debt. It's because I decided to go into programming, and now the AI is trying to take that away from me, take away what I am
Mm,
passionate about. I think
mm,
about it every day. It scares me, right? But I do
mm,
have hope that people realize that this like and then like investors are gonna take away their investments and have this bubble pop because it scares me.
yeah.
It scares me that
It,
people my job I could have no job in the future because AI is just this whole big thing now.
dude, yeah. No, little. It's people. It really sucks because it's people like you that like they're like these companies are saying, "Oh, we're gonna make so many more jobs." And it's like, please, something's
Dude,
not clocking with me now. Something's not clocking with me. I don't get how
exactly.
this math ain't really mathing right now. How the
Like
fuck
you
are you gonna create more jobs? Like maybe I'm
Yeah,
just
you
like
only need like a couple people to maintain the thing. Like
dude.
and that's
It's
exactly it, and that's what scares me. But I have hope, and I'm still gonna keep learning. I'm still gonna put more money into like
yeah,
learning
yeah,
because I believe that this bubble's gonna pop, and then it's gonna be better than ever.
dude.
Like again, like I'm not completely against AI. I'm just against the
Yeah,
corporation's use of it. I'm
yeah.
again. It should be used as a tool, not as a replacement for jobs.
It's said incredibly well. Like it's not. You said that incredibly well. Like yes, on this channel we have waged war against the vibe coders. Yes, this is a fact. But with that, I'm not saying that using AI as a tool to help. Like if you're really really smart and you know what you're doing, and it helps with boilerplate or helps with something you just genuinely don't understand, and it helps you. That's great. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
But
like
but when you're betting the global economy on that, and dude, yeah, there's so many conversations to be held. I mean, like literally, I have weeks of pumped up not talking about geopolitically retarded decisions whenever it comes to these corporations
Oh,
making.
trust me, our
Oh,
world right now sucks. Not just the AI thing, but what can you do, right? We're just little people in a little tiny we're just a couple
mm-hmm.
people who can't do anything. You guys kind of live with
Exactly,
it.
exactly.
But
All you can do is program.
exactly, program and learn. Hey man, you gotta learn something new every day. That's how I keep being
Exactly,
productive.
dude.
But
Yeah.
I'm not gonna keep you away now. But
I
if
see
you
you
have
have
if
to go back.
I know, but I'm just saying, if you need any help, or if you want to ask a question or ask a question about the program I made or anything, just let me know, okay? You
Dude,
can
I
even
most
DM
certainly
me.
will.
I'm always available. So
I have another quick question for you, if you don't mind.
what's up?
What are you trying? So I heard you've spent 4 grand on your education. What is it you've learned uh, Python and you said Java, or is it C++?
I learned Python on my own, but Java I'm getting taught for at school
And why are you going to school for this, if you don't mind me asking?
because I want to go to cybersecurity. That's what I want at the end of this.
That is a W. That is
I also want to
sick.
program on the side because I do love programming, but like I wanted to go into cybersecurity because I love forensics. Forensics is awesome.
Mm. Dude, that's a
What's up?
fucking W right there. That's a fucking W, bro. Damn. Oh, dude,
Yeah.
our boy in chat. I remember seeing him like a million years ago. Holy shit, that's
Oh
why
yeah, that
it's
guy.
popping up. What is up, my boys? I hope you guys are having a swell time. Please forgive for I unfortunately am going to have to go to work. Demon time. The demon clock had rung.
Demon time is over,
The,
guys. I'm so
yes,
sorry.
it is no longer with us. So if you're just joining, I know you guys are subscribed, but yeah, if you aren't, consider it. Okay, you know what? I haven't provided too much value today. There's a lot of value was given to me. I appreciate your time, my guy. I really do. I sincerely appreciate you like helping me out, yapping with
Oh,
me.
of course, of course. Yeah, I'm always here for you, dude. I want to see you succeed, man.
I appreciate that
Like
more than you know.
I'm always
Sincerely.
here for you, dude. So,
Thank you.
and the people in chat, please click on the subscribe and put on the notification bell for all notifications, so you can get a notification when stream pops up.
Absolute peak. Well, bro, I hope you have a good one. Thank you for
Uh,
helping me understand your
of
code
course, man. Get to
and
work. You need the money so you can get more money for the robot arm.
dude, yeah, no, it's yeah, okay, yeah, you're right. I'm gonna do that now.
Okay.
All right, bro.
See you, everyone. See you, Jacob. I'll see you later.
See you, my boy. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Let's see. Perfect. Okay. My friends, I hope that you guys have an amazing. Wait, can you check my new channel? Ooh, made it for Python learning. Just uploaded a few shorts on simple Python riddles. Below is my channel tag. I'm gonna. You know what? We're gonna quickly check this out. You know, I do have to get to work like right now. I'm gonna check this out when I'm at work. When I'm at work, I'm gonna have free time. That is so fucking sick. Hey, share this in the Discord, my guy. Oh, you can't see like yeah. Share this in the Discord so that we can freaking like give you some amazing feedback. That'd be absolutely peak. Oh, it's so weird. I haven't been looking at the camera. I've been looking at you guys in your souls. Yeah. I hope every single one of you guys have an amazing day. I know there wasn't the most amount of learning per se inside of this. That's not true. I learned a lot. I learned a shit ton actually. No, I learned about this guy and how it's different from an if statement. Like, yeah. Yes, please, my guy, please post inside the Discord. That'd be so awesome. But yeah, for every single one of you, bro code is legend. Bro code is legend. You know what you would be? You'd be a legend. No, you already subscribed. I think you already subscribed, but you should, if you haven't, you should subscribe. But bro code is legend. Thank you. I'm gonna stop ranting. I do need to go get back to work. I hope every single one of you has a splendid, splendid time. And of course, as always. Wait. Wait. I hope you boys have a good time. Good rest of your night. If you're joining us, if you're late to double in, you know what you should do? Wait. You didn't hear that, yeah. You should subscribe if you're awesome and sexy and have big big balls, very big balls. Okay, I'm gonna go to work right now. Thank you, boys, for joining. As always, I hope you have a splendid rest of your time. And yeah, mwah. Stay focused, my boys. Stay focused.